This review is a Farmer's Fridge pineapple coconut chia pudding. And this is vegan. One jar has got 21 grams of fat, of which 15 are saturated, no trans fats or cholesterol, 105 milligrams of sodium, 32 grams of carbs, of which 8 are fiber, 21 are sugars, of which 12 are added, and 5 grams of protein. And these are the ingredients. Sounds interesting. Let's give it a try. Afia to you, my viewers. Let's see. They do not make these easily opened, which is probably a good thing. But sometimes they don't get them closed quite right. It doesn't look very appetizing, does it? Well, hopefully it is. Stir it up here. But at least now it doesn't look as gross. Of course, if you're not used to eating chia seeds or basil seeds or something like that, where the outer layer of the seed actually is water absorbent, you're going to find that a bit weird. The benefit of it is, though, that it takes all that water and it helps to fill you up. That's pretty good. It's a little bit odd because of the coconut milk. But overall, I like it. I'll give it 7.5. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.